Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto E7I Power, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this Motorola. Firstly, go into settings and scroll down a bit. Now choose security and tap on screen lock. Then pick one of the login methods by tapping on the chosen one. I will go with pattern. Now you need to enter it and choose next at the bottom right corner. Then repeat it and choose confirm. Over here you need to choose how do you want the lock screen to display your notifications by tapping on one of the options. I will go with don't show notifications at all, so I have to tap on this option and select done at the bottom right corner. So now when I go back, turn off my screen and turn it back on. I can see that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!